Hello guys and welcome back into your brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to invest in Robinhood. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, to invest in Robinhood, you only need to start buying and selling stocks. But first, make sure that you have your account that is set up. So you can simply come here in the investing panel or the investing menu and make sure that everything is set up. You can also go to your account or your profile and see if there is everything that is fine with your own account. And you can start seeing here your own assets. So you can see here your own crypto, your ETFs, and your options, crypto that you buy, etc. And you might also earn rewards for the amount of thing or for the longer that you have your assets there. And basically, to start investing, all you need to do is to go to the investing menu here, and simply you will start seeing the list of your stocks. And if you want to learn more about investing, you might see here the Learn Investing Basics. So you can just click on it, and then you will find many articles or guide that will show you what is the meaning of stocks, what is inflation, so you can start studying your risk and you can uh, safely invest your money. And basically, whenever you choose a stock to buy, all you need to do is just to click on the name of the stock. For example, this is an Nvidia stock, and you will need just to click on it. You can see the chart for the Nvidia stock, and then you will need just to click on trade. You will add the volume or the amount of stocks that you want to buy, and then the transaction will be done. But first, make sure that you have enough funds in your connected with your wallet so you can be able to buy them. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.